Hey everyone, and welcome back to EIT Pathshala. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the universe? Well, maybe not the entire universe, but today we are diving into a powerful tool that fuels the magic of artificial intelligence and data science. Is it statistics? That's right. Statistics may not sound as flashy as neural networks or deep learning, but trust me, it's the foundation upon which these marvels are built. Understanding statistics empowers you to make a sense of data, uncover hidden patterns, and ultimately build intelligent systems that can learn and adapt. In this brand new series, we will embark on a data driven adventure together. We will explore the fundamental concepts of statistics, from probability and hypothesis testing to data analysis and interpretations. We will see how these concepts are applied in the real world of AI and data science, building your skills step by step. Here I am giving you a walkthrough of the topic which we are going to cover in this entire playlist. So we will start with introduction to probability and statistics. Then we will move to population and sample. Then we will move to Gaussian normal distribution and its PDF. So as you can see, I have prepared a complete timeline for this entire playlist. This is the day 1, this is day 2, this is day 3, and likewise it will continue. On the day 8, you will find sample distribution. On day 14th, I will cover Bernoulli's and binomial distribution. Then on day 15th, I will cover log normal distribution. And on day 21st, I will cover Spearman rank correlation. Then on day 22nd, I will cover correlation versus causation. And on day 28th, I will cover hypothesis testing and permutation tests. Finally, on day 29th, I will cover hypothesis testing. And on day 35th, I will cover how to use hypothesis testing. This is just a summary of what are the topics that we are going to cover in this entire playlist. Whether you are a complete beginner, curious about the world of data, or an aspiring AI professional looking to solidify your foundations, this series is for you. We will break down the complex concepts into clear and understandable explanations with practical examples and hands-on exercises to keep things engaging. So, are you ready to unlock the power of statistics for AI and data science? Buckle up because the journey starts now. Let's make some magic happen with data. All right, everyone, let's get this party started. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the coming session.